Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm coming to you from beautiful Vancouver, where I'm testing out this little powerhouse K&F Concept BH-36L Ballhead. We're going to put this compact but supposedly mighty ballhead through its paces during a spring photography session. We'll test its stability, smoothness, load capacity, and overall performance to see if this affordable option can truly deliver professional results. So let's dive right in. When this ballhead first arrived, I was actually surprised by how compact the box was. I honestly thought they might have sent me the wrong product. But nope, this is actually one of the most compact ballheads I've seen that claims to handle serious weight. According to Kent this ballhead is made from high quality aluminum alloy with a 36mm ball diameter. It features a 360-degree panoramic base with 3 twist locks, a quick release plate compatible with most cameras, and a built-in spirit level. It weighs just about 0.7 pounds or 326 grams, stands at 3.14 inches tall, and can supposedly handle up to 35.2 pounds or 16 kilograms of gear. Now that's a bold claim for something this size, and exactly what we're going to test here today. Taking it out of the box, the first thing that struck me was how solid it feels, despite the compact size. The construction seems robust with a nice matte black finish, and the ball being painted in a nice orange. The knobs have a nice grip texture to them. The quick release plate mechanism feels secure. No cheap plastic parts here. I was initially skeptical about how something this compact would handle professional camera setups, but the build quality at least suggests it might be possible. Mounting this to my tripod was straightforward with the standard 3x8-inch thread. It screws on securely with no wobble at the connection point. The quick release plate attaches easily to my camera with the standard 1/4-inch screw. The plate clicks in with a reassuring sound, and the locking mechanism feels solid. So we're testing this in my local neighborhood. The cherry blossom trees are blooming, and I thought it would be a good place to test the ballhead. So I've mounted my Fujifilm GFX 100 Mark II with the 45 to 100mm lens. Pretty heavy combination that really puts this little ballhead to the test. Despite my initial skepticism about the compact ballhead's load capacity, I'm impressed by how it's handling this setup. Let me show you how the panoramic base works. The graduated markings around the base make it easy to create precise panoramic shots. The panning motion is smooth without being too loose, which is exactly what you want for consistent panoramas. I'm switching to my Canon R5C with the 24 to 105mm f2.8, another substantial setup that would quickly reveal any weaknesses in stability. What I really appreciate is how the ball moves very smoothly when loosened, allowing for quick composition adjustments, but then locks firmly in place with just a moderate turn of the knob. There's no creeping or subtle shifting after locking, a common problem with less expensive ballheads. The built-in spirit level is proving really useful for landscape photography, so I can keep the verticals truly vertical, and that's very critical. The bubble is easy to see and use and seems quite accurate. So after several hours of shooting in the field, I'm generally impressed with how this compact ballhead has performed. The stability has been excellent with both my camera setups, including the GFX 100 Mark II with the 45-100mm lens and the Canon R5C with the 24 to 105mm f2.8, both fairly heavy combinations that would quickly expose any weaknesses. The ball mechanism operates smoothly, and the locking is effective at different camera angles, even with heavy gear pointed at odd angles. There's minimal drift after locking, a common issue with many ballheads in this price point. I especially appreciate the spirit level and the panorama markings, which make precision work much easier. The spirit level in particular has been invaluable for cityscape work, where keeping buildings straight is essential. So let's come to the pros and cons. The ballhead is good, but it's not perfect like most camera gear. So always some areas for improvement. But let's talk about the pros first. The Ballhead is exceptionally compact and lightweight for its load capacity. It's surprisingly stable with professional heavy camera setups. Smooth ball movement with effective locking. It has a useful spirit level and panorama markings. And the build quality is solid with all metal construction. And I think it's great value for the price point. Areas where this could be improved is the quick release plate is a bit smaller than some better ball heads. There is no separate tension control knob, although the main knob does adjust pretty well. No memory markings for frequently used positions. And another one personal gripe was because of the size of the ball head, and there is very little height clearance between the knob and the tripod connection point. So if you have big fingers or if you're using gloves, it might be a little difficult to rotating. All said and done, for this compact ball head with its price point, I think it performed exceptionally well. I can definitely see myself using this ball head very regularly for my shoots. While it may not have every bell and whistle of ball heads costing 3 times or 4 times or 5 times as much, it does deliver where it matters most: stability, smooth operation, and reliable locking power. I think this is an ideal companion for landscape, travel, and cityscape photographers who need to pack light but still demand professional level performance from their support gear. So if you found this review interesting and useful, please hit that like button and consider subscribing for more gear reviews and photography content. Below, if you have any questions about this ball head or if there's other gear you'd like to see reviewed. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care, guys.